Welcome, in front of me I have Asus Zenfone 8 and Xiaomi AirDots 2, and I'm going to show you how you can pair this device. So the first, you have to go for the Bluetooth settings on your Asus, open the Bluetooth settings, activate Bluetooth, and then simply open case of your AirDots 2. When this indicator starts blinking, it means that they are in the pairing mode, and you can easily pair them just like that, right? But what if they are not blinking? You have to move them to the pairing mode manually, and at the first you have to turn them off. So you have to click and hold both buttons just like that. As you can see, they blinks on the red color, they are turned off. And next we have to turn them on and boot them into the pairing mode, so click and hold those buttons another time. Let's make it. As you can see, when they're blinking on the white color, it means that they are in the pairing mode. You can click here to refresh list. They are here, so we can simply connect. So tap on the Redmi AirDots 2, click pair, and as you can see, after a few moments we are connected. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.